Welcome to PineXchange. In this video, we will teach you how to install an EA or Expert Advisor and how to integrate it with TradingView as an indicator. Start by going to the website and clicking on Login. After clicking on Login, then click on Insert again. After signing in, click on the link page. The key link will serve as a bridge between TradingView and our EA. You can read through the various steps continuously until you reach the EA download. We need to know first whether we will use it to trade in MT4 or MT5. In this case, I will demonstrate using MT4. Click on MT4. The steps are the same. The system will download the EA and store it in the Downloads folder. We will keep the EA there for now. The next step is to go to TradingView. In TradingView, within the Indicators group, you need to set up a total of 4 parameters: buy, sell, buy, exit, and sell. Exit. The recommended method is, once you reach TradingView, to create a new layer. You can name it anything. In this case, let's name it Test Demo. Once we create a new account, there will be a volume indicator that we don't need, so just remove it. Assuming the indicator used in this demonstration step is the EMA, Exponential Moving Average. For example, the system will buy when it crosses above the EMA and sell when it crosses below the EMA, then immediately switch to sell mode, alternating back and forth in the hourly time frame. Each person can use any indicator they prefer. In this demonstration step, I'll use the EMA for easier observation. We will need to set a total of 4 values. The first value is taken from the source. Go back to the website and select the link for the newly created key. Earlier, we entered the MT4, the account number entered in MT4. Then open MT4. Once you open MT4, you will see the account number in the top left corner, 696111754. We enter the account number and click Generate Link Key. This is it, 6611754. This will be a test. Click on the JSON web and there will be 2 tabs to choose from, whether we use it as an indicator or as a strategy. The strategy option will have a separate demonstration video. For the strategy, there must be a total of 4 values for us to copy first. Copy the values back to TradingView. Select the technology to set alerts. When setting an alert, we should set it to see if we are simulating a currency pair trading gold. The EMA we use for demonstration is EMA 9 using a palm cross-up. There are many things we can do, such as cross or approach the EMA or cross down. This is up to the user to choose once we cut the EMA. The price. Oh, it must be the live price. The cross-up is when the price crosses above the EMA. The EMA we use is EMA 9. Okay, then set the time frame to 1 hour. Should we wait for the candlestick to close? Yes, you should wait for the candlestick to close. Yeah. And this will be setting the expiration, which depends on the user and what type of TradingView account they have. If it's a premium account, you can't set it without an expiration date. You can set it for a long duration with a custom name such as buy. You can set it as you wish, like buy XAU USD. We take what we copied earlier and put it in, which is buy, and make a few simple changes to match. Once we've made the changes, don't press create yet. Go to the notification page and copy this first. Copy the webhook here and then come back and paste it here. You can just paste it. Once pasted, this will come out. Press create. After we've created it, let's look at the clock icon. It will show the buy signal that we just named. This is the next step. Now we have the buy signal. Okay? When do we issue it? We go and get the JSON again. When to issue it is by exit, which is this one. Copy it as before and do it again. We need to do it 4 times in total when creating the indicator. press the same, which is this symbol, coach. Price caught down means it goes down. The EMA sign, the price goes below the EMA. When the bar closes, it becomes a buy. Exit 10. SAUUSB. And then place it. This one changes the name a little bit. Okay, usually the application saves it. So just press create and you'll get the second sheet. Next, do the same on the sales side. Go to the sales side and add rules. Live the close price. We will sell when it closes, when it crosses down, crossing down. Against the EMA price, this is done by growth. Choose closing down. Against the final EMA, this is for selling. Sell HUSD. We then input the values. As usual, check the application again, then press create. Once we have the sell, next is the sell exit. When will we exit? Then copy it to do it one more time. It's an unfortunate continuous exit when it crosses up the EMA. Okay, all done. The wave side is bad. S is check. We will see if the application is okay. Once we have all 4 steps, because of this, I'll name it. Let's name it a bit. Sell, exit, X, a UUUU SPA. Here you might add additional details depending on the user. So we have all 4 that we just created. Listen to the training view and that's it. All set. Because this will generate a link and automatically input the license ID for us. Now we need to go to our EA side. We've downloaded the EA, so we open the training view. Oops, we open the MetaTrader. This is our MetaTrader, so click on File. Then open Data Folder. Select MQL4 and choose Experts. We need to insert the EA that we downloaded. This is the EA we downloaded, so we insert it. Once inserted, we right-click and refresh once. Now, click Refresh, and the EA will appear for us. We then select the gold we want to trade. Find the gold we want to trade. XAU USD. Okay, we have the gold now. Once we have the gold, we proceed to select the options. Click to tick these 2 options. Tick Allow Auto Trading and click the plus sign here to import the values from the website back into the platform. Finally, at this point, click Copy. Then click to insert it. Click the plus sign, insert it, and click OK. In this case, it's already been inserted, but you can click OK again to reinsert it if needed. Once it's inserted, we're done. Now, take the EA, Expert Advisor, that we downloaded and insert it. The EA we downloaded will have values that we need to input as follows. Since we need the license ID, we go back to check it, copy the license ID. License ID, link key, link of this one as before, copy the link key. For the Lychee, we will set this to allow the EA to pull values from the data input from TradingView every few seconds. We might set it to 3 seconds, and there might be a random range of 3 to 5 seconds. We have already set everything, including buy, execute, sell 10, and there's nothing more to do at this stage, so we can proceed. To let the EA Expert Advisor operate, press true. If we press false, the EA will not place orders even if there are signals from TradingView. It needs to be changed to true. If there is a trading signal, how many orders should be placed? Set keep. This depends on the user's money management. For example, it could be 0.010 or 0.02. Is there a stop loss or take profit? If the stop loss is taken from TradingView, we set it, for instance, when we buy or sell, we buy execute when it closes down. We are interested in whether it's in pips or points, and you can input a value of 0 here, because our entry and exit depend on the indicator, not on the stop loss or take profit here. Allow for some deviation. How much spread is there when the graph moves? It's 100. If the spread increases faster than the acceleration rate per second, it will not be accepted. This is because when the TradingView graph moves strongly, our trend plays in a very short time frame. Even 1 minute can have an effect here, so the user might be able to adjust this. Magic number. The magic number is a unique identifier for this expert. For example, if we are trading multiple pairs such as gold, EUR, USD, and GBP, JPY, we need to open multiple windows. When we open multiple windows, the magic numbers must not be the same to prevent the EA from getting confused. That we are trading in which loan of that loan. This part indicates whether our trading is single-sided or double-sided. The indicator we send over will operate one side at a time, meaning there is a buy and a buy exit, then a sell and a sell exit. There won't be simultaneous buy and sell actions. We specify that it operates on a single side. Can it exit a buy and then re-enter a buy? Can it exit a sell and then re-enter a sell? This is not possible because we operate one side at a time. If the signal is a review being sent and the price of MG fall has moved, we will allow it to place an order only if there is not much difference. You can set this to about 1%. This also indicates whether, if there is a new order, it should close all old orders before opening a new one. In reality, this follows TradingView, and we operate on each side. These two will align when trading with multiple orders. This might need to be a flaw, because this step is not used. This will be the final step in installing the indicator on TradingView and sending it over to the expert advisor. Click OK. After clicking OK, a smiley face icon will appear in the top right corner. This area will display the license ID, account number, link, and key. It will also show that the data was last updated 3 seconds ago. The TradingView auto trade is enabled, allowing for auto trading in one direction only, not around, with a maximum of multiple orders and a max space of 100 points. Differentiation is at 1%. The latest signal doesn't have any orders at the moment. It will keep updating the time and pulling new data continuously. Once this step is completed, we can choose. However, if we want to trade additional pairs, we can repeat the process and select, for example, the EU pair. For example, if there's another EU pair, we can open the EU on the right side and select the chart window, which will open another page. We then repeat all the steps in TradingView, meaning we go back to TradingView and possibly change it to the EU pair, to EU or USD. It might be open if it's the EU, and then we create a new alert, open the tab first, and we add a link. Add a broker link. This might be a demo. Demo for EU or USD is possible. We follow the same process on the website for these 4 items, repeating it 4 times. We will get 4 more alerts. Because if there are 4 alerts, once TradingView is done, we do it today. We then input the exchange API again, input everything as before, change the link key, and set everything up. This is convenient. The 4 items we added are already done. And then we change the magic number. This one will be 12345. It could be 12346 or any number to avoid matching with the gold one. Then press OK. That's it. You can trade multiple currency pairs according to the link key you have on the same account. If you have any questions about any step, you can ask the team for more information. Goodbye.